What if I told you that within a blink of an eye, your whole life is flipped? You get down of your AC cab all set for your Glasgow office. But wait, what if suddenly it's you carrying bricks, barefoot in the burning sun? Same city, same day, but could you even think of surviving there an hour? In a country that is building skyscrapers, there are 400 million daily wage workers who go to their sleep unsure about their next meal. They're not asking for luxury, they're just asking for dignity, for just a meal, for just a recognition for survival. If you and me doesn't speak about this today, then who will? At Matram, we believe in solutions, we believe in changes. Let's take a revision of the lives of our unsung heroes. Number 1. Did you all know that around 90 to 94% of the workers in India are categorized under the unorganized workers? To streamline this and to organize these workers, we can mandate a national identity registration system where the unorganized workers and daily wage laborers can duly register and formally register under the government, ensuring better wages and better job security. Number 2. Under this registration system, we can ensure that all the registered workers get better access to healthcare, housing and water supply, and most importantly, subsidized or free education to their children. Because we know that education is not a luxury but it is a basic right. Number 3. In 2019, the Parliament has mandated the minimum wage rate at rupees 178 per person per day. But did you know that the Labour expert recommended rupees 375 and the Central Pay Commission recommended rupees 700 per daily wage labourer? We can see a clear difference of 75% of what is actually needed for survival and what is being provided. So there should be increase in the minimum wage rate. Number 4. Coming up with a new vocational exchange program. Imagine if schools and colleges open doors for skilled workers, not just as laborers but as teachers. If electricians, artisans, plumbers and other skilled workers come and train the students in order to expand their practical skill sets and meet out their daily needs, this could build up dignity and also bridge the gap between skill and opportunity. These are my 4 solutions, and what are yours? Comment in the comment box and don't forget to follow the channel. Signing off from Harini here, இது மாற்றம் என்பதே மாறாதது, and we are the change ourselves.